In this video, I'm going to show you how to use PayPal in Fortnite with no bank account, credit or debit card needed. Before I show you how to do this and how this works, I'd like to ask you guys for a favor. Can you subscribe here to the Anthony Allen YouTube channel? My name's Anthony Allen and I upload a variety of content surrounding gaming, editing and online money. And if you find this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and remember that you can also get in touch with me in the comment section down below. Without further ado, and now that you've subscribed, let's get into the content and I'll show you exactly how to use PayPal inside of Fortnite without any credit, debit card or bank account needed. Okay, so here we are in the Fortnite lobby. Once you're here, you're going to want to make your purchases using your PayPal account that you have created with no bank account needed. If you haven't created a PayPal account with no bank account, credit card or debit card connected, I have a video on how to do this and you can find that in the cards up above and also linked in the description down below. Once you have created your PayPal account after watching this video and then going to check out that video that's also up in the cards, the next thing you will need to do is connect your PayPal account to your Xbox account. And you can do so by checking out the video that I have linked in the description on how to do this. Now, once you've completed those two actions, you would then go to make your purchases within Fortnite. Let's scroll over to Vbucks. So Vbucks are the currency that you use in Fortnite Battle Royale. This currency is what you will use to make your purchases within the Fortnite item store. The item store is where you can purchase cosmetics, emotes and other items within Fortnite Battle Royale. For example, here is a tune called Dream Runner. Let's look at this now. A brand new song that you can use in Fortnite Battle Royale. Now we're going to purchase this using the PayPal account that I have with no bank account, credit card or debit card connected. Now let's start that process now. I'm going to go into Vbucks and I'm going to make a purchase for 1000 Vbucks that cost £6.49 in my national currency, or my local currency rather. I'm going to select 1000 Vbucks from the Vbucks section here. I'm then going to select purchase. You can also read through the disclaimer that is given on what this purchase is all about. For example, it says buy 1000 Fortnite Vbucks, the in-game currency that can be spent in Fortnite Battle Royale, Creative and Save the World modes. So there's a little bit of extra information for you on what Vbucks can be used on in Fortnite. Now we're going to press X as I'm on Xbox to make the purchase. From here, you want to make sure that you're using the correct payment source. I'm going to move up to the payment source here that will be censored because it contains sensitive information, and I'm going to press A to make my selection. If you're on, of course, PlayStation, this will be something like the X button. Once you have pressed this, then you can then select the payment source that you want to use to make this purchase. In my case, I'm going to select the PayPal account here. I now have the PayPal account as the payment source that I'm going to use for this purchase. This PayPal account has no bank account, credit or debit card connected. I'm then going to select buy. And in just a moment you will see that the Vbucks have now been added to the Fortnite account. I'm then going to make my purchase by going into the item shop. Once in the item shop and you have what you want selected and you have the correct amount of currency Vbucks that you've just made your purchase for, you can then make your purchase. In this case, I'm going to select Dream Runner. I'm going to use this song in Fortnite. I also upload Fortnite content and you will be able to find more of that in the end screen in just a moment. I'm going to press X to make my purchase to show you that this purchase has now been made via a PayPal account with no bank account, credit or debit card connected. I'm going to press A, or actually X, to equip this. I now have a brand new item from Fortnite that I've made my purchase for using my PayPal account with no bank account, credit or debit card connected, and you can do this today. Don't forget to check out more videos here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel for additional help on how you can make purchases online and more within your games and a lot more. You can find more content on screen right now. This content will be there for you to help you even further, but don't forget that you can subscribe here to the Anthony Allen YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. You're amazing. Let's go, let's get it right here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel.